Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Test. Here I've got 10 questions for you, and you have 10 seconds to answer each question. By the way, you may pause the video if you need more time. Are you ready? Let's see who can do 10 out of 10. Test number 1. He. Any snow before he came to Russia? A. Has never seen. B. Had never seen. C. Has already seen. D. Will never see. The correct answer is B. He had never seen any snow before he came to Russia. Test number 2. Dogs are said to be loyal animals. A. Some. B. Any. C. The. D. Zero article. The correct answer is D. Dogs are said to be loyal animals. Test number 3. She makes all. Own clothes. A. Self herself. B. Hers hers. C. Her herself. D. Herself herself. The correct answer is C. She makes all her own clothes herself. Test number 4. She has been looking for a job since she left school. A. Ever. B. Very. C. Never. D. Every. The correct answer is A. She has been looking for a job ever since she left school. Test number 5. I'm so surprised to hear that he could do it himself. A. Within. B. All by. C. With. D. Apart from. The correct answer is B. I'm so surprised to hear that he could do it all by himself. Test number 6. This apple has exceptionally sweet taste. A. The. B. Much. C. An. D. Not. The correct answer is C. This apple has an exceptionally sweet taste. Test number 7. Have you been sitting here in the dark all by yourself? A. Since noon. B. How long? C. When? D. As long as. The correct answer is B. How long have you been sitting here in the dark all by yourself? Test number 8. I'd like lemonade with sugar in it, please. A. The. B. C. Some. D. Some. The correct answer is C. I'd like a lemonade with some sugar in it, please. Test number 9. These flowers, all dead, please give me some fresh. A. Will be. 1. B. Was. Where. C. Aren't all. More. D. Are. Once. The correct answer is D. These flowers are all dead. Please give me some fresh ones. Test number 10. By the time the doctor here, it will be too late to do anything for her. A. Gets. B. Get. C. Will get. D. Got. The correct answer is A. By the time the doctor gets here, it will be too late to do anything for her.